Good morning. You're listening Nishi Sharma, your news anchor from Lawfare Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 24th July from around the world. India to boost Rafale capabilities with Hammer missile under emergency order. With the Rafale arriving in the country in the middle of a dispute with China, the Indian Air Force is further boosting the capabilities of the combat aircraft by equipping it with the Hammer missile from France. The order for the Hammer standoff missiles with the capabilities to take out any type of targets at the range of around 60 to 70 kilometers is being processed under the emergency powers for acquisition given to the armed forces by the Narendra Modi government. Enjoy full majority. Will call assembly session soon. Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot. Amid the ongoing political crisis in Rajasthan following the rebellion by his now snacked deputy Sachin Pilot and his loyal MLAs, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Thursday asserted that he enjoys a full majority in the assembly. SC verdict on Sachin Pilot. 18 dissident MLAs plead tomorrow. In a relief for the Sachin Pilot camp, the Supreme Court today said the Rajasthan HC can pass order on repeal MLA's plea against disqualification notice. Pakistan's approach in Kulbhushan Yadav case, Partial India. India on Thursday accused Pakistan of blocking all legal remedies to Indian death row convict Kulbhushan Yadav. Defense Minister issues formal order granting permanent commission in army to women officers. The Defense Minister has finally issued the formal order to grant permanent commission PC to women's officers in 8 more branches of the army, in accordance with the Supreme Court directive in February, which will empower them to shoulder larger roles in the 13 lakh strong forces. Can you get COVID-19 again? It's very unlucky, experts says. The antidote are alarming. A woman in Los Angeles seems to recover from COVID but weeks later took a turn for a worse and tested positive again. A New Jersey doctor claimed several patients healed from one bout only to become reinfected with the coronavirus. And another doctor said a second round of illness was reality for some people and was much more severe. Coronavirus updates. India reports highest single-day recovery of 29,557 COVID patients. The COVID-19 tally in India rose to 12,38,635 today, after the country witnessed a huge spike of over 45,720 in the count of new coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours. Record 1,129 people succumbed to the fatal disease, with which the death toll increased to 29,861. Over 7.88 lakh Indians have returned under Vande Bharat mission, says MEA. Under the phase 4 of the Vande Bharat mission, a total of 1,197 flights have been scheduled so far, including 945 international flights and 252 feeder flights, MEA spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said at a media briefing. These flights are operated by the Air India Group, Indigo, SpiceJet and GoAir. They cover 29 countries. They will be reaching 34 airports in India, he said. 2,436 new COVID cases reported in West Bengal today. The total number of cases now stands at 51,757 in the state health department said. India's COVID-19 confirmed cases are 12,38,635 and deaths are 29,861. Gujarat records 1,078 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking total to 52,563. 28 more deaths pushed to 2,257. Karnataka's COVID-19 tally surged to 80,863 with 5,030 fresh cases. Toll touch to 1,616 with 96 more fatalities, reports PTI. Israel team working with DRDO to develop rapid COVID-19 testing to come to India on special plane. Maharashtra cabinet to postpone mayor and deputy mayor elections for another 3 months, reports. Pay cut, Air India pilots warns of potentially psychological impact. I'm Nisha Sharma will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.